In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add category tags to a blog post in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website that contains your blog. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Pages tab and select your blog page. You will see a list of all your blog posts. Click the blog post you want to organize. In the Post editor, open the Post Options section in the lower left corner. Find the category setting and click Add Category. Enter a new category or select an existing one to assign it to your blog post. You can add multiple categories if needed to better organize your content. Once you've finished adding your categories, click Update to save your changes. Preview your blog to make sure the category has been applied correctly. When everything looks good, publish your website if required to make the changes live. That's how to add category tags to a blog post in Weebly. Thanks for watching.